This thing wey Regina dey do, so she go fit? Na that question people dey ask, because ever since when Ned Nwoko fifth wife cry come outside, so people come dey talk am say if na so this lady take do this matter so for real, they no dey sure say Ned for get mind come marry Regina follow her, because for real wetin no good no good at all. Anyway, my correct people, now welcome back to our channel at Maggie Rooks Vlogs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time and location. My people, I don't come again. This matter swear for real, this matter shockalize me. I say when I hear and say a whole Morocco wife, number 5th wife, she dey cry come outside, I say sure the matter reach like that. You see, for like how many months now, and now so Ned Nwoko no dey look her angle again. She said the other wives they no gree talk, but she no go close her mouth, because she even carry the matter so go meet Mama Regina, based on say Mama Regina na still mature woman, and based on say she dey see am every day. Lo and behold, Mama Regina no gree shake body. She come dey talk am say if na so she take do so, say whether Ned go get mind come marry another person, because she give Ned Nwoko free chance. But wetin make dem come dey deprive Ned Nwoko from her? She say she don tire. See, this woman talk the matter to the extent she can't even let us know. So now, so Mama Regina they follow Regina, they live for inside house. Even this UK trip, so lo and behold, Mama Regina still follow the pikin go. Like she no even see me. She they talk to the pikin, say I beg, make you free now. Make this man they reach all of them. And no, now just her pikin she they fight for. But for real, waiting Mama Regina they do safe. Sometimes it no they nice at all. More just talk through my people. They even talk and say na even fear, so na even make Mama Regina she no gree snap picture follow the Regina and Ned, because she know say country people they go use mouth take shop and say wetin you dey find up and down, you no go leave this girl alone. Lo and behold, Mama Regina dey their midst. I say Lela talk a lot to the ex. I can't even remember it happen inside 2 years ago, wey be say Ned Nwoko senior pikin come out, my people. When this girl come out, she can't talk a lot of things, because right now so after this Morocco woman cry come outside, people come they flash back to wetin happen 2 years ago, my people. She say na so Regina go dey pretend for outside. People will come dey look am say this Regina so she dey soft, she dey nice, she no fit even hot fly. You know, they'll just they talk a lot, not knowing say Regina so na just a corner she dey fight for. To the extent right now, so people come dey flash back to wetin happen inside last week for years. So one matter come speculate the internet, where Regina come dey talk am say she no go gree o, say because of say she don suffer, use her sweat take just build herself a kind, or you know, a dream company, get herself standard fashion house. Say for that reason, so now so Ned Nwoko so won't just carry her right come go give am to Morocco wife. She say she no go gree, because that her standard, that her dream business we say she do for herself, now her sweat dey there. And the way Ned Nwoko first take talk when we say in the building in office, one office, like let am know say now so Regina so go get one part for that office. But lo and behold, after Regina don't build, you know, don't build a fashion house, open a fashion house, a boutique, now so Ned come they talk and say as it day, so he go carry everything give Morocco wife. Before they come they talk Jack Robinson, so everything can change. Where Regina can't even provoke it, come they talk and say if Ned carry her thing give Morocco wife, she ready scatter everything. Short she go burn down the office. So my people, that matter so the matter see fresh show. After the old drag before they talk Jack Robinson, so no be Ned Nwoko and Regina come dey London, and right now so this woman come they try let us know, so that is this number 5th wife. She say now so Regina no dey lie leave their husband for neck. Say every time as she and their husband, and no be so it's supposed to be, based on Muslim tradition, the man supposed to treat them equally. Say if to say she no give the man chances, the man for no fit get mind go carry Regina Regina come, but Regina don't forget all those things. And right now, so wetin call the vex her pass be say the mama herself, the mom no dey help issue at all at all. Just know wetin come just make these people matter no dey lie dey finish for the internet side. And one thing be say wetin mama Regina dey do, my people, the thing dey nice, e no dey nice. As this woman come out dey cry, my people, una no go believe am say mama Regina, she dey jollificate, she dey happy, she dey shake body like she no even send at all, she no even look and say whether na person dey there dey cry for one corner. Mama Regina just dey her corner dey scatter everywhere, dey jubilate say yes, her pikin na im dey the up. She dey forget one thing, see cane wey dey use take beat first wife, they go still use am beat second wife. If at all Regina get wetin she do wey be say the man come just forget the other wives, they talk am say wetin go up, e must still come down. No be so mama Regina at all, because before this Morocco woman go cry come meet you, that one mean say she look you as a mother, she look you say yes, you go understand quite all right. But no, you know they think their angle at all. You dey forget am say they be women. You dey forget am say women so sometimes they need all those petting. No, na just your pikin corner you dey fight for. You no supposed to do like that, because right now, so this lady right now, she let us know say if Ned Nwoko, if he not treat them equally according to Islamic law, and she let us know say she no go lie gree say she go expose some kind secret. Hey, my people, if that secret enter social media, we no sure say the matter go fit finish this year. Hey, Ned, you are better do well. And mama Regina, beg, may you still look into this matter. And people come they talk and say they don't know wetin mama Regina they find for in pikin house. I mean, she don't forget and say this her pikin so na married woman, she don't forget that part. She know they lie they finish for the girl angle. E can't be like say na she and Regina they gather, they stay for the husband house. Hey, this family matter so for real, the matter just get as it be. I just hope say the fit just say and do am well, because right now so Leila they try let us know say the other wife so they no gree talk, but she na still young babe, like she no go open her two eyes make Percy come they put and sample. She don't too bear am say Ned na for all of them. But right now so Regina won't just keep Ned Nwoko to just herself alone. Abi she forget am say na Muslim family she come marry. Hey, my people, this matter so the matter go long go the way they see am. So anyway, I just pray say Ned go fit shake body, because right now so the babe they tell us say if Ned Nwoko no do usual, no do am like Muslim law, say she ready come expose some kind shocking secret wey be say the internet e go catch fire. Anyhow, sha, if you see carry the matter come, wetin we go do now? We still carry and come here for you now. Wetin una think about this matter, my people? Anyway, make una leave una thought for the comment section. Make una like, make una share. And one more thing, Regina, think this matter where Cain wey they use say beat first wife, they talk that part where they'll still use them beat second wife. So my correct people, I go see and I give my next video. Make una like, make una share. Una bye bye.